Water. We all know what it is and what it can do. Or do we? We all know that things float on the surface of the water if it's less dense than water, but more dense than air. Unlike this paperclip right here. Because the paperclip is denser than air and water. But there is a way to make it float on the surface of the water. We just need 2 paperclips. Now, just grab one of the paperclips and unfold it to make it look like an L. Like this. It's better to open it from inside than the outside, but both methods are the same. Now place the other paperclip on the bigger flat part of the L clip, like this, and slowly move the paperclip to the surface of the water, then put the paperclip down and then pull it out. See? And it should look something like this, floating on the surface and on the bottom. Now, these paperclips are not really floating. It's because of something called surface tension, like what our bug friend is demonstrating right here. Surface tension is caused by things in the water called water molecules. Water molecules are mainly made of hydrogen and oxygen, like all water is. In the molecule, the hydrogens are usually positive and the oxygens are negative. But the oxygen has more negatives, and positives attract each other. As seen right here. They stick together quite easily because opposites attract, and since the oxygens have more negatives, it's easier for them to attract to each other. Meaning they're not going to disperse easy, which also means that it's going to hold up the thing given enough time for them to actually stick together. Now let's see what would happen if we put vinegar into the water. Would that cause a change for the paperclips to not float? We'll see. Now if you don't have vinegar, you can always use something like dish soap, which may have a different effect, like vinegar. Just pour it in and mix it around until it's not really that divided and it's like mixed really good. Now let's see. When I put the paper clip on the L clip from earlier and putting it on the surface of this now vinegar water to see what happens, and looks like nothing really changed. It's still floating with surface tension from the water molecules sticking together, even with vinegar mixed into the solution. It may go differently if we add dish soap, but you can see for yourself once you can do it.